Morning guys, welcome to another video forest frame. Well, I've been away for a while and it's kind of been start this channel. My apologies, I've got a lot to contend with just now. It's not if I'm not enjoying photography, it's more if I've got to do things in life that get in the way. We're moving home at the moment to a better place, and there's a lot of things we need to do, getting the house rewired, etc. And so there's a lot of building work getting done. So there's going to be interruptions to this channel, unfortunately, but by August, fingers crossed, everything should be up and well, and yeah, we'll have a new office set up to do the podcast, etc. as well. So anyway, I'm here in a woodland, as you've probably gathered, you eagle-eye viewers. This is a birchland, I call it birchland, birch woodland, and you can see it's predominantly birch trees, but I've been here quite a few times. It's one of my local jaunts. I do love it because there's no people here at all. You know, it's very unlikely to find even one dog walker in this forest, so it's great for me. I'm quite a shy guy. So let's go to the first composition, and I'm just going to have a little wander about, see if I can find anything, and what I've not found before, I'll retake a picture I enjoy taking, see if I can improve it. And we're going to call this one local. So guys, this first composition is quite an intriguing one, and you won't see it just now, but I'm going to put some footage up, some B-roll that I took earlier. So I'm going to say this is an old English oak tree, and on the left of it there's, again, appears to be like an older tree or a bit of dead wood that's kind of flew this way with the weather. Kind of as you see, it's just a snag, it's just sitting there. So the tree itself is quite a good composition. Whether or not I'm going to include this with the snagging, the old dead tree. By the way, dead tree that stands up still is called a snag. That's the name of a dead tree that's still upright. But looking at further investigation, yep, that's a branch that's just mainly flown into the tree with the weather. There's no roots or anything, as you see there. So I might just keep it, embrace the old. So it's almost like the old oak tree is embracing the old or deceased God, tree. So if it's any good, we'll stick up the image just now and leave a comment or two. So guys, when you're going out doing woodland photography, it doesn't hurt taking the same pictures. If it just doesn't work out, it's to document for different seasons, so you know not to take that same picture in that particular season. Although in my experience, spring seems to be a safe time to take pictures of trees. So yeah, winter time, springtime, autumn time, fall, as I say in America. You know, there's all different ways you can just take pictures of trees. You can do the winter time, have bare trees like bony, kind of gnarly oaks and different types of species of trees, and focus them on the tree itself, not the surrounding trees. You're just actually doing tree portraits. That's the way I like to do in the winter time. In the summertime, I like to include more trees, naturally, because you got a bit less distraction from the sky. You know, the canopy is closed by the trees, so you've got a better chance to get a complete image. And then in autumn time is the colours, so you've still got a bit of canopy, receding canopy, but autumn's pretty much one of the, yeah, I like it, but my favourite time is spring. Everything's so lush and green, because you waited through the winter time, there's been nothing to photograph that, you know, everything you've photographed probably has been kind of like a bit bare looking, maybe putting in black and white just to give it a bit more gothic look over. But in springtime it's all about colour. But yeah, so we're going to swing you, just going to push you over this way, just let you see what I'm looking at. This is a composition I've taken many times. This is a picture I've taken many times, and this is pretty much the angle that I normally shoot at. But I'm going to go a bit further up this way, and I'm going to show you where I am going. Not just where the camera is, I know, but I'm just going to probably play about the composition. So if I go here and just go down a bit, come across, and I'm wanting like this. Now this side of the frame here is there's nothing real interesting, so I'd have to swing it. In the top I've got a lot of sky, so I have to go down a bit, taking it down to about there. Now obviously I've got a lot of foreground, which is better than the sky, so I'm quite happy with that. And plus I can probably crop that in camera, see how it fares in a 1x1 crop over. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, this composition is another oak tree. It's quite an old, gnarly oak tree. I'm just going to point you to the camera just now, right around this way. So I'm just going to flip you over, and you see there just the shape of it, the way the branches come out. And it's on a hill, it's on a slope, as you see there. It's kind of been battered for the years through weather, and also its growth towards the light. These trees can get some great shapes for photography, and every woodland photographer when starting out always gravitates to an old oak tree. Now if you look around here, it's quite wild. You know, it is not really a open park for people. It's just a birch tree woodland, and it's kind of off the dual carriageway where I am just now. So it's not really kind of signposted for people to come to. There's quite a few farms around here. Now this place is kind of, it's not private, but you know, it can be accessed and people can walk through if they want to. Although there's nothing really around this way to walk through to. There's a farm a little bit over that way, but saying that, there's nothing really. So these local places are gems. You can learn your woodland photography in quiet places like this. Take time to tune the camera, take time to work out compositions. No one on your shoulder tell you what to do. Just you play your own game and get images that appeal to you, and only you. Guys, I'm just going to take a picture of this mobile. It's always good to use your mobile if you've packed your stuff away and you just can't be bothered getting it out again. And it's just taking a shot for next time. So I've kind of spotted this shot, and I'm just going to flip you around. So you see here, I go a bit tighter, just taking the phone down a bit. So I'm needing a wide angle lens for this shot. And I love the branch going right across there, the birch trees, fineness of the leaves, as you see. This is a beautiful shot. You probably noticed that in the B-roll earlier. Always remember, just take a shot with your phone. You know, if you see something and you can't be bothered getting it out, just to take a note of it It's like a little diary for next time. So guys, next video, which will be possibly a week on Monday, I will be with landscape photographer, Scottish landscape photographer of the year, Ian Bowie. He was featured on the Landscape Lenscast podcast last year, and we've been meaning to go out with him, take some pictures. So we're going to a well-known bluebell woodland in Scotland, in Perthshire. Like most people in the UK probably know what it is, or mainly Scotland don't know anyway. And take some shots of bluebells and things. We'll see how it fares, and yeah, so look forward to that. So that's a week on Monday, and I hope you can join me for that. I will be doing more of these videos as much as I can through the time, doing all the moving to this new home. But I will say this, it will improve my workflow, my routine, what things I do. Pay more attention to things once this is all over with. So much things to do when you're moving a house, especially when it's an old-fashioned house and it needs all done up, etc. Well, so thank you for watching again, guys, and see you in the next couple of weeks with a new video. Thanks again. Remember to like and subscribe. Cheerio, bye.